Bop your foot. You need a bad dab on your foot.
It's sunny, isn't it? Yeah? Daddy's sun. Yes, Daddy likes the sunshine too.
Daddy's on. Something's on. What's on?
Your vest is tucked into
You've got mouse. You've got the trolley. Is the trolley going up there as well?
Is this what we do when we're going to Hoover? When Mrs. Doyle is going to Hoover?
Hello.
Hi, Charlie.
Charlie? Say hello, Mama.
Hello.
Hello.
You look remarkably well this morning. Somebody kept me
Hello.
awake half the night for the last 3 nights.
Hello.
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 This isn't going to be very interesting
Hello.
to watch. Hello.
Hi, Peachy.
Too big.
Too big. Is it too big to be on the sofa?
Are you going to do your complicated parallel pushing of trolley and mouse so that I can film it? That's what I was hoping to capture.
Mouse has been parked.
Aisling, where are your letters? Aisling? Where are your letters? You don't want to do the letters. You're too busy enjoying your newfound mobility and freedom because you're wearing pants. Mummy might need to help you.
Hang on a second. Hang on. How do you open it?
Just pop those 2 bits. Yeah.
Peachy, pop them.
Yeah, just pull.
Oh. Letters. We take all those letters down and put new ones up. We take these down. Make some space. Oh, sorry. O.
Where's the O? Do you have an O?
O on.
Oh, that's right. Can you see an E? Should be an E there somewhere.
Letters.
Letters.
South. I think this how letters south. Daddy.
Here it is.
In there.
What's that? Aisling?
No, Taddy.
What is that?
Taddy.
E.
Taddy.
Dotaddy.
That means
The letter E has been renamed Dotaddy.
No daddy.
That's probably what it was.
Oh, look.
Yeah. Actually, so many things are called No Daddy. It's L.
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 I think it's a little line actually.
Is it?
For doing things.
Oh, you
L.
could be right.
L.
Actually, yes, you're right. It is.
It's a bit big
Yeah.
compared to